So this is my mom. Say something, Mom.
I just now broke your camera.
You did not. Shut up. Look at that squirrel. Over there.
Camouflage breeches.
Not that squirrel.
You're so... Ooh!
It's that little dot over there. Those trees. So apparently there's a bear around here. I'll show you that bear. What's wrong? You scared of the camera?
No.
Why not? Look at it. It's a baby. Look. It's a baby squirrel.
Yeah, it is. It's teeny tiny.
Where?
Reminds me of Fluffy.
Where?
Just in case if you want to know who Fluffy is. My pet squirrel.
It used to be a pet squirrel.
Well, it used to be. We let him go in this park.
Really, in this one?
Yep. Who knows if he made it or not.
Probably not.
I'm gonna get
There's
this
a bear
wedgie
down
out.
here,
I don't like your underwear.
and I'm going to show them the paw print. I'll show you.
Oh, look at that, Mom.
This is what we're up against here.
Oh, shoot. It's him. Hey, honey. Come here. This brush just moved.
It's because they had squirrels over there.
Oh. Can you guys wait on me?
Is that it?
Look at all these dog tracks. Me and Dad were talking. We got to this one. He said that's no dog.
No, that's a bear. That's definitely a bear.
Oh yeah.
Looks like he was going that way.
Yeah, he was going down this way. Probably went up that way. That my animal trail. An animal trail right there.
No, because Mom, if he was going that way, he would have made more
Looks
prints.
like he's going that way.
It's not. It's going that way.
He might have came out of this. He's going after something. Well,
So-
or something. I don't know.
There's a bear.
All the way. That's not gonna say. Oh yeah, look at her. She's so beautiful. Look at her. So beautiful. I love her so much.
So stupid.
Look, you hear that chipmunk?
That's not a chipmunk.
That is a chipmunk.
Or in the woods. Look at my family. Being stupid.
And over here, some bears dropping in.
Why would you want to look at bear jaw?
And this is when we decided these are no dogs either. Freaky.
Boy, that bear had a pee, didn't it?
Mom said that bear had a paint in it.
Yeah.
They drank
Well, he was really holding it, wasn't he?
He was. Calm down here. Ladies.